Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Fuel efficient and low miles. Features also include traction control, rear view camera, tire pressure monitoring system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.